kings of Scotland, we have a visit come to the throne.
Sons of Scotland! I am William Wallace! William Wallace is 7 feet tall. I have heard he kills men by the hundreds. And if he were here, he consumed the English with fireballs from his eyes and bolts of lightning from his tuggets. I am William Wallace! I am William Wallace! I see a whole army of my countrymen here to fight and defy some tyranny. You came to fight as free men. Free men you are. What would you do without your freedom? Will you fight?
Fight? Against that? Hey, we will run, and we will live.
I fight, and you may die. Run, and you will live. But dying on your beds, years from now, when you look back on this day, willing to trade all the days from now to then for one chance, just one chance,
What is she doing?
tell our enemies that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom!
Oh my God.
Scotland forever!
Think about, think about.
Yeah.